Wilfrid Laurier leads Canada in Civilization VI: Gathering Storm. He was the 7th Prime Minister of Canada and is remembered today for his charismatic personality and his focus on Canadian unity and expansion. Wilfrid Laurier's leader ability is the last best west. Farms can be built in tundra, and after researching civil engineering, can also be built on tundra hills. The cost of purchasing snow and tundra tiles is reduced, and he receives double extraction of all consumable resources, such as iron, on snow and tundra tiles. Canada's unique improvement is the ice hockey rink. It can only be built in tundra or snow, and only one may be built per city. It provides appeal and amenities, plus culture based on adjacent snow and tundra tiles. Unlocking flight adds tourism, and unlocking professional sports adds production and food. It also provides culture if adjacent to a stadium building. Canada's unique ability is 4 faces of peace. They cannot declare surprise wars or be the target of one. They also receive extra favor for successfully completing an emergency, and additional favor based on their tourism. Their unique unit is the Mountie. This light cavalry unit has the ability to create a national park. It also receives a strength bonus when fighting close to any national park, and an even higher strength bonus when fighting near Canadian-owned national parks. As Canada, you can take advantage of the icy landscape that most other civilizations will ignore. But should you fall under attack, your Mounties are powerful defenders. Canada is built for a strong culture victory, and can make a good run at a diplomatic victory as well. Be sure to join as many emergencies as possible to take full advantage of their diplomatic strengths. Will you guide the world with your sunny ways from the Great White North? How will you lead Canada in Sid Meier's Civilization VI: Gathering Storm?